All right, just making a quick video for anyone out there doing the high idle kit on the 2023. Didn't see much out there, so hopefully this helps. But there's a part number from BD Diesel. What you're going to want to do, and right now obviously this is already all taken off, you're going to want to pop the glove box off, which will have the 2 clamps on the side. Then up under here, you're going to want to get the cover underneath out of the way. If you have ambient lighting, you'll want to disconnect this. This is already with the high idle switch connected, but what you'll find, and I'll shine the light in to show you, is that in this area right here, that's the clip where this once was. And the best combination I found was taking a set of pliers like these, getting it behind the clip and pushing on it with a combination of using your hand up under here and that plier right there. Otherwise, everything pretty much blocks it. You'll want to remove the harness that's connected on this side here to be able to gain access from the top side, and then that will allow you to pull this down. You'll disconnect these PTO wires here, and granted, obviously you can use a resistor, but this kit for me, because I can go up to 3,000 RPM, just works better. But this is a combination of tools. I use a trim puller, just a regular piece here to pop these off. You could do it with a flathead if you want, and that will allow me to get this down here and zip tied up underneath this and get to it. So hopefully it helps some people out. I'll show you the pieces I pulled off. It's on 23 King Ranch, but right here you'll have this clip, this clip, this clip, and then obviously ambient lighting if you do have it. The side panel, which is clipped there, slides in there, and then the upper side panel, which has clips all around it, which is where that piece will help out real well. Hopefully this helps.